Hello and welcome. My name is Diamond Garcia, and today we will be discussing my self directed learning experience with the Google Certified Educator Level 1 certificate. The topics that we will cover today are the introduction, what is Google Certified Educator, how I plan to implement it into my classroom, and future directions. This school year, my current district is implementing an initiative called Class 1-to-1. With this initiative, all 3rd through 12th grade students enrolled will be issued a Chromebook to utilize in class and at home. This, coupled with the fact that the landscape of teaching has continued to evolve, are the reasons why I decided to pursue this certificate. I believe that this certificate will allow me to create more dynamic lessons that will foster an engaging and collaborative classroom environment. So let's get into what exactly is Google Certified Educator. It is a professional credential that validates the teacher's proficiency with utilizing Google Workspace tools. These core tools involve things like Gmail, Docs, Sheets, Slides, Calendar, and much more. This is one of 2 certificates that you can earn through the Google Certified Educator program. Although there were many lessons that I learned throughout this course of my self-directed learning journey, the 3 big takeaways for me were a deeper understanding of the Google tools, an enhanced digital literacy, and ways to increase student engagement. First, by completing and obtaining this course, I was able to grasp the essential tools in Google Workspace and learn how to seamlessly integrate these tools into Google Classroom. When it came to an enhanced digital literacy, I learned about different ways to incorporate digital citizenship lessons into the classroom. I believe it is one of those skills that is essential to teach to children when they are interacting with technology practically every day. I also was able to build my troubleshooting skills by completing the fundamentals training. This will cut down on the amount of waiting time that occurs when I'm waiting for a technology personnel to help resolve the issue that I'm having. The final lesson I'll highlight is one of the most valuable: increasing student engagement. I developed skills to create interactive lessons incorporating Google tools. This has empowered me to design more engaging and dynamic learning experiences for my students. Since completing the certification, my brain has been thinking nonstop about all the ways that I can incorporate technology into the classroom. Some of the ones that I plan to start implementing this year are having students take responsibility by keeping track of their data using Google Sheets, digitizing the way I use exit tickets by having students complete them in Google Forms, setting up a Google Calendar sign-up for parents to conference with me, and even giving the option of hosting it on Google Meets if they cannot take time off work to meet me at the school. So what's next? Although I do have a great foundation on how to effectively incorporate Google tools into the classroom, there is always more to learn. I plan on pursuing the Google Certified Educator Level 2 certificate. That way I can learn even more on how to improve student outcomes by leveraging technology. I also want to continue my education and to continue the learning, as well as become a technology leader within my school by hosting professional developments and being a mentor to my colleagues. I'm also considering taking the Microsoft Certified Educator certificate, since I believe it'll allow me to be capable of leveraging the best of both worlds in order to create optimal learning experiences. This is the PDF version of the certificate to show for documentation purposes, as well as the badge that I currently have on my email. And with that, we have come to the end of my reflection. Thank you so much for joining me today. See you next time.